Ako rin sir.
Oo. Tara, 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 tara.
Yung pa nabubukas na.
Tawagan.
Nakabukas na. Nakabukas na.
Baba na HP
Bilis,
ko.
Oh yeah, I should get Bloody Helis. I need that weapon.
Don't we have that? Oh,
No.
that's the rot version. Ako rin, kunin ko rin. Text ako eh. And then do.
Ilan
Never
arcane
mind.
mo?
Never mind.
Oh, it's lit up to 10. Okay. Yung, hindi mo magagamit to kasi wala akong ano. Uy, thank you for farming. I could use a
Hi guys, join nyo na ako. Galing ako sa Libra.
You better not ano, pre, trauma dump.
Pero ang dami
You see a madness
nagsasomon.
enemy. Biglang nagka ano, no? Panic attack, may isa naman ako spiritash.
Realistic panic attack. That one scene in Puts in Boots, The Last Magic.
Gulat talaga ako. Pagkalabas ko ng LPO kanina, biglang nagka-firework show yung buong Intramuros.
And then naisip mo, si Reze.
Si Reze yun. Ano yung that one scene? Pinad ko kasi kanina sa school.
Napanood mo na ba, Prince? For sure, napanood mo na.
Magano,
Oo.
ano dito, no? I'm saving it kasi sa 15, manood ko ng mga kaibigan ko. Sa bahay na.
Okay. Aray ko!
Yung parang watch party.
Mm.
Lakasan nyo yung
I'm itchy.
sounds.
I'm itching, bro. Holy.
Kapag manonood kayo, lakasan mo yung sounds ng TV.
Ayun nga eh.
Tapos isarado mo lahat ang ilaw. Mas maganda kapag nakasarado yung ilaw.
Yung maganda dun, ano? Alam mo yung lalagay mo na ilaw sa likod ng TV, tas ano, depende sa scene, ganun yung maging kulay.
Ah, pang LED.
I know
Mm.
Sa
that.
likod. Yeah. Sure.
Bagal naman ng Grace dito. Balik
Bro,
na nga
enemies.
ako.
This is not Night Train, right?
I love that game. Rogue, tas Souls game. Oh my god.
Buffet.
Ayan. Wait, ano gagawin dito? Bakit nag-grind tayo?
Wala, farm.
I'm just here.
Because we can.
No.
Habang naghintay lang sa inyo, I'm just here. Tapos tuloy. Aray ko!
Ano yung pupunta natin? Gaius? Saan ba yun, Zed?
Shadowkeep. May elevator pababa ng sa taas pa yun ng Shadowkeep.
Yeah. I tried to sprint. Okay.
What do you mean? 3, 5,
What if we dual build ko to?
Pero bigay sa inyo sa akin.
Ito daw. Yun na to.
Wait, binigay ko na ba?
Uh,
Oh, hindi pa. Wait, ito.
first.
Great katana, great katana.
What ba to yung double wing?
Yeah.
Dito. Yung dragon thingy. Tapos yung great katan.
Oh, okay.
Pwede ba?
Yeah, pwede. May moveset siya.
Okay.
I-right click mo lang.
Edgy ko nga. You would never expect na hit. Strike build.
Hindi talaga.
Ayos pa. Ayun ano ba?
Ichimonji. Alam mo Miguel, they call us the ano?
Oh?
The clock. Kasi ako yung little hand, si Prince yung big hand. Prince, use it. Use it.
Ako yung body kasing circle.
They call us the 9 p.m.
The 9 Because we always start at 9.
Oo. Tapos pangalan ni Prince na 9.
Oh my god. Perfect.
The clock buddies.
Oo.
Anyways, tara. Guys.
Wait,
Play
where's that?
Storehouse floor 1.
DLC.
Storehouse first floor.
Yes, sir. Oh my god, guys. Good luck talaga sa OJT nyo.
Hindi mo na ako makakita sa OGD ko.
Oh, hindi talaga.
Sa bugaw palagi.
Level up that mental strength, pre. Hindi masasabi kapag nag-OJT ka na.
Don't watch. Every bago ako pumasok, magkano ako muna ako. Golden Vow, tas Flame Grant me Strength.
Tapos may flask ka.
Magano ako. Yung Opaline Hard Tier para resistance to.
To all damage.
Matutuwa ako, ano no? May tip
Bibigyan
sa
ka ba yun
OJT.
ng tip?
Bigyan mo. Depende. Kung nakuha ko, kuwari, Bellboy or Buzzer. Buzzer ba? Yeah.
Saan tayo?
Isipin mo, no? First guess na kung naging ano, Bellboy sa ano. First tip ko, $100.
Ay, Bellboy.
Rich billionaire foreigner.
Just like Dark Souls 2. The Bell guys.
Ow.
Do you remember those said? Yung little people and weird tumawa.
Hihihi. Ganon. I'm so spot on.
Ano pangalan nila? Bellkeeper ata. The Bellkeepers.
I don't remember. It's been a minute.
Kasi ewan.
Ba yun? Oh, this is the dungeon.
Oh, ito na pala yun.
Oh, putang.
Leave my friend alone.
You can have a friend.
Uy, Ash of War. Wall of Sparks.
Wall of Sparks.
San.
From Undertale?
Hindi. Wall of Sand.
Oh, ito. Hindi, iba yun.
Invisible Wall? Okay.
It's just a wall.
Invisible Wall. Sabi na nga.
Wow.
Isa pa.
Another one.
Yeah.
That's ano, pre. Wishful thinking.
Wishful thinking.
A bunch of jars.
That's me when I wake up or something. I don't know. I can't get fat. Di ko masabi yan eh. I can't.
Yung ano?
Like me when I'm fat. I can't say that. I'm not fat.
Such a fat fucking chug.
Go, my stupid chud son.
Iris of Grace. Oh, we need this for
Iris
something.
out from Chainsaw Man.
Hindi pre.
Oh, kailangan natin bigay dun sa ano. Pangalan nun?
The guy, the lady.
Quilline.
Quilline.
Quilag.
Quilag. Ano ba DS1?
Iris of Grace.
Iris out from Chainsaw.
What was that?
Ganun na. I think you needed a hand.
Ayaw ba di backstab? Okay. The more you know.
Come on. Oh.
Alam mo, tuwing kapag may parang humanoid na enemy, una kong ginagawa, backstab.
Backstab.
Gotta check
Okay.
first.
Oh, okay. I know this path.
Palabas na
Ito
tayo.
yung ano, flower area. Pwede namin puntahan. Wala namang boss dito eh.
Meron.
3 sentinel. Pero wala namang ano.
It's like 3 of them. Open the
I don't get
door. The tiny door.
Parang siyang mouse
Then
door.
we open the big... Okay na.
Grabe.
Wow.
Oh, this
lugar na
area.
naman to.
Yeah, may boss dito, Seth.
Oh,
Man.
oh, this area. I hate this area. Yeah, wag muna tayo dito kasi ano ta, endgame area.
Oh. Man.
Mamatay tayo. Kung level 10 na ano natin, tsaka tayo pumunta dyan.
Hindi, kapag 12 na at least.
I'm so fat.
6, 7.
8, 9.
Ang babli ko kay Soda kanina eh. Kada kill namin eh. Nag-i-emote siya sa harapan nila eh.
Sa Fortnite.
Oo, nag-6-7 siya. Alam mo ba may 6-7 emote na?
Yeah. Ito pala yan.
Yeah, binili agad niya.
Of course. Ano yung sa Overwatch naman, si Soldier, nag-6-7.
Soldier.
Shot din ba yun?
Mm.
Shot Man.
Andun sa Fortnite, ginamit talaga nila yung kanta eh. Hindi yung boses ng
The only
bata
good
eh.
thing, only good thing that to come out of Overwatch.
Hindi na tayo mag-teleport. Ah, well.
Yeah, sige. Wag na.
I'll just run through Night Train style.
Oh my
Oh.
god, he's hitting the griddy.
Wow! Alam mo, natuto ko mag-strafe dun sa ano, Night Train. Minsan di na ako nagda-dodge.
Watch out, Prince.
Uy!
May daanan ba dyan?
Ah, Nathan.
Let's see.
It's a foot.
Ah, never mind.
Wing stands fly. Hands blurry.
I did
And
something.
then I take a bite of my fruit salad.
A whole bite. Yeah. Slim and healthy.
Yummy, yummy.
Old man.
Old man Yawi. Over here. Over here.
Oh my god.
Dito.
Parang cathedral lang sa
Number of
ano,
investment.
Dark Souls 3.
Oh, ano? Yung maraming ghost.
Ah,
I don't like that place. Too grabby.
that's true. Too many hands.
I could use a hand sometimes. Yo, tsaka, may ano dito item? Uy, 8. Oh guys, tutulong.
Shadow.
May ano? There's a
Nasaan ka
fire
ba?
guy. Dito.
There's a midget though.
Oh!
Oh! Okay! Okay!
That ain't no midget.
That's his son.
That's not a midget.
Grabe.
Oh, item.
Wait, you're the hat! Yung nakita kong hat!
Yeah, he's the hat guy.
Fire... That one video!
Problema, kalimutan tayo grind eh.
Yeah.
I need your hat.
Meron dito cooler hat. Parang winged serpent helmet.
May sinend si Prince sa akin eh. Na-list eh.
Yeah! Like parang
Hindi
ano...
sa akin. Eh?
Wait, I don't... Di ko yung TikTok ko.
Hindi naman nagsasend yan si Sid eh. Pero spam ko siya eh.
I look at it instead. Wait, item.
Thank ko na. It's you.
Every 3 days ko pinapanood yung mga sinesend nila eh. Para may ano ako. May list na kailangan panoorin.
Minsan ang lala,
Full
no?
armor na to. Maganda yung voice.
Mirror armor.
Item.
I want your hat.
Item?
Oh.
Oh.
7.
6, 7. Oh, ito. Ow.
Bang, bang.
After
bang.
patayin ko nga ata. You heal?
Golden Vote! Pala golden pa.
Oh.
What's in here?
This place
Another,
is so
another dude.
komplikado.
Hindi naman.
Ichimonji.
Yo, what's up? It's me, Miguel. No.
Hey, did that guy just turn to Ash?
Did that guy
Dito?
just turn to runes?
Oh, ito. Oh, may daan na rin
Hey
dito.
guys, it's me, Charlie. Hey, that guy turned to Ash.
Where are we? Where?
Oh, it's another guy.
Hey
Ano yung
man,
great sword nila?
ano tong good na to? Kung mukhang tao, probably kaya ko backstab.
Hilang ko sa...
Gulang.
Ayun lang.
Man, stop healing.
My bad, pero
Okay.
it's not I don't. It's I don't knowing.
Ano ba said?
Saan solo?
Oh, eto. Yung mahabang pathway niyan.
Attempt to prank Prince. Veil. I'm a lamb.
Okay, sa akin. Oh,
Take a potato chip and eat it. Yummy, yummy. With my crumb. Rubs belly.
yo.
Hindi ko. Rob's belly.
Alam mo yung ano na yun, yung pag yung rub my belly.
Yung
Clean,
yung...
clean my belly.
Yeah.
Oh, clean pala yan. Hindi, ayan.
I wash my
Wash my
belly.
belly.
Clean my belly. Clean my belly.
I need the light. It's too dark. Lot of dark people around here.
Oh, that's true.
Ooh. Ako lang tan niya, dual swords.
Are you guys dead?
Yeah.
I'm dead. It's so annoying. Level 10 pa rin ako.
Bang.
Kinocompensate ko with ano eh. Higher level compared sa inyo. Ano level ko na actually?
Oo.
Oh, yeah, 165 na ako.
165?
Oh,
Oh,
pero
166 ako.
164 ako. Oh wow,
Oh,
sunod-sunod tayo.
At ano si Prince? 163?
The countdowns talaga.
160.
166 ako.
Yeah, they call us the countdown.
Oh, feet. What the fuck?
It's... Yeah.
Is this Marika or ano?
I don't know,
poison.
it's some bomb.
Oh, it's some bug,
Old guy.
man. Ew.
Oh, dito yung kay Gaius.
Abandon here my arm extra.
Here, I abandoned
Skadoosh.
my right testicle.
Yung pala hinahanap natin eh. Yung pala ring eh.
Wait, ano? Here, I abandoned my prostate.
Teka. Status. Wala akong 20k.
Everything the light touches is yours.
Oh, ayun yung flash ko said oh. Pero wala ng tubig
Huh?
dun.
Do you see that, Prince? Everything the light touches is yours.
It's
If
so
you're wondering,
fun.
ba't ang dilim? Because you don't have anything.
Oh,
Bro hates your ass.
Kaya sabi ko, everything the light touches.
bitches.
Ayun sa taas oh. You can have that.
It's still dark, pre.
It's somewhat.
At some point,
Light.
mapupunta natin yung papuno.
Ako may elevator
Big
dito eh.
shadow.
Pababa. Tapos yun yung boss fight.
No,
And then
dami
if you
natin
win,
mapupuntahan eh.
we get 5 skibidi fragments.
Yay.
Catch this.
I think solid goods tayo dun for ano. Fight back. Fight back. Alam ba, ilang beses ako nahulog dito. Nag-follow pag anal sa skit.
Parang naglag.
The helmet!
Ano kanya yung helmet? Ay, I got smithing 6. Oh my god.
Ano yung
I just need the red. I need
That's-
Which
the red.
one of you is Pinhead?
Oh my god, the CCCs.
Oh my
Oh,
god. CCC. I need a red. Something red. Nah, not this one.
baka may red armor ka. Yung ano, Drake armor.
Where did I get this? Drake.
Yeah.
It looks ugly.
Oh shit, wait. Hold on.
Ah, grabe naman damage.
Teka.
Hey, shut up.
Oh, tapos na.
Yeah, we go down. Maya na to kasi papunta yun sa boss eh.
Okay.
Oh, wait, never mind. Wait, tama na? Yeah, ito.
Where the hell?
It's around here some. Oh, yun! Secret rights scroll. Ito.
Pickle level.
We need this.
The what?
And then hanapin natin si
Secret rights.
Ansbach. We jump. We need to find Ansbach.
Ah, nasa ground floor.
Oh,
Ground floor ba?
Yeah, nasa
Oh
ground
yeah,
floor
okay, I
siya.
see it. We need him. I need him.
Okay.
Ow. Lagay mo ko yung weapon niya.
Probably.
Marami yan. Dual swords, great sword, and colossal sword.
Oh.
I like cool design mo. Oh! Drop, rare drop.
I
Oh,
got
6-7!
Okay.
Ay, send ko na sana. Box.
Sa tayo.
I
Punta
don't
natin si Ansbach.
know.
Nakuha natin yan eh. Scroll.
Oh wait, bababa tayo sa first floor.
Kuha naman natin yung Grace, no? Sa baba.
Nakuha na natin sa taas rin.
Hindi, yung kanina. Sa taas pala.
Ah, nakuha natin.
Is that Ansbach? Oh my god, Ansbach.
May
My
bat.
idol. I'll protect you, Ansbach.
Kausapin mo na.
Righteous Tarnished, it's been some time.
I like your hat.
Yes, King.
That's his beard.
Old man, yeah. Hindi, part yun ng armor set.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah, yung body ni Lord mo, basically kinuha ni Mikala.
intelligence.
Hand over secret rights scroll. Well, what's this? Yes, I should have known. Yeah, gagawing vessel yung corpse ni Moog. Wait, search ko lang yan. Ano quest niyan?
Hindi ko yung bro sa manipulate.
Bro, the manipulator. He's a
Ay,
manipulator.
Her uns-
Baka.
Nasa
Murder!
Yeah, dyan lang yan. Hand over secret rights scroll. Continue.
That's a midget.
What the fuck?
Oh my god. Nag-interlock yung mga quest nila.
Or just be killing anyone.
Ay, since si Redmain Freya. Shadowkeep, Storehouse, 7th floor,
Ay,
set 3. Wait. 7th floor, 4th floor. 4th floor tayo.
Okay, we're just killing everything.
Sige lang.
And
Secret Redmain Freya. Look at Freya, 7th floor. Obtain secret rights scroll. Concerns back about Freya in the 1st floor house. Acquire letter for Freya from Sir Ansbach. Eh, punta ka lang dito, Miguel.
Saan?
Punta tayo Storehouse, 4th floor.
Okay.
And then we find the 7th floor. Sa taas, we need to climb. Tas, meron dito. Tas, kailangan rin natin kausapin si Led. Wait, tsaka lang.
Dami naman flirt.
Convoluted ang quest na to. Schedule Castle Ensis, blah blah blah. You can find him around, then later High Road Crossing. Then you'll usually find Hornson nearby. Travel to Shadow Keep. You must break Gashan. Wait, habang nandiyan kayo, kausapin ko lang si Leda.
Okay.
Basahin ko lang ano. Ito lang yung part sa quest na to. Nag-interlock lahat ng 4 na NPC quest at the same time. Kung may na-miss ka, ruined lahat. Saan yan?
Masabi mo?
Leda. Oh, hello. Did you feel it? Mikalakine's enchantment appears to have broken. But while my devotion
Ikaw ah.
to Mikalakine's unchanged,
Nah.
by my thought, blah, 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 blah.
Hmm?
No, it perhaps it's a blessing in disguise. Basically, si Leda, since wala na yung ano ni Mikala, maging ano siya, Batman. Papatayin niya yung mga ano, mga unworthy sa mga NPCs. Make no suggestion. There, you'll usually find
Paha.
this.
Kinda suspicious. Okay. Where am I?
Wait. Ang hirap ng boss fight na to. We'll fight if you don't.
Kailangan ba ako, boss?
I was? What?
Si boss?
Oh my god, nasa lala ng boss fight. Ang ano na to? Wait, Horn Scent. We'll fight. If you didn't summon Remy Freya, will fight for you if you give a letter to Freya. You haven't killed that. Remember.
That ain't me, bro.
It's Horn Scent.
Tara nga, Prince, lakad nga tayo.
Okay. Wait,
Horn Scent will fight you if you didn't speak to him after summoning him.
Hindi mo siya get.
Ah, patay na pala. Ah, hindi sila nag-respawn.
Give me like 3 minutes.
Okay, okay,
Ang
move.
convoluted.
Ikaw lang. Asa ka, Prince?
Ikaw lang.
Tara mo. Kaya ko yung move in dead body.
What?
Tara mo. Ooh. Ooh. Nakikita mo
Hindi
ba?
makita.
Ah,
Ayun.
hindi nakikita.
Sa screen ko nakagulo ko naman. Tapon ko kaya ito.
Horn Scent High Road.
Actually, tapos ko rin sa akin.
Linis lang.
Sige.
Tapon.
Tara, tapon natin, tara.
No! Tapos ko. Cleaning up. Clean up.
Paano mo?
Mahulog. Ano ba?
Ayaw mo, nag-tagal.
Ay, mahulog.
Nalala mo ba, Prince, ano, GTA 5?
Yeah.
Alam mo yung ending na, ano? Ending A,
Death
B,
Wish?
and C? Parang ganito lang yun.
Weh?
Yung Death Wish, or ganun.
Ah, naglig na siya sa akin.
Bali sabi ni Leda, sino papatay niya? Either Tiolier, Horn Scent, or Make No Decision. Nalimutan ko which one yung true ending.
Search for
The
that.
conversation ends at you still
Ikaw ba, we were just
Ay.
having fun.
make no suggestion.
Ay, matapon ng kinds.
Natapon ka ni sa akin. Ha, 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 ha.
About this big
Ay.
cat. Bigat mo wala.
At diretso nga tayo dito.
Fourth floor.
Laki meron
Okay,
dito.
kinusap ko na si Leda. Sabi ko, make no decision. Bali gagawin niya, since wala tayong sinuggest na traitor, hahunt daw niya si Horn Scent. We need to help Horn Scent.
Okay.
Source.
I don't know. It's a guy. My enemies. You gotta watch out. Dali, dali, dali,
Ayaw.
dali.
I got this.
Asa kayo?
Hanapin mo
We're being
kami.
sneaky.
Bababa kayo?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Dali, dali, dali. Gonna be really sneaky.
I said I will light up your way.
I'm just
Like nobody else?
I'm just
Yes.
bones.
Don't mind us.
What's in here?
May kang footsteps. May kang footsteps. Wait, next siya. Ito sa kita. Oo. Teka,
Sige.
i-line up mo.
Kasha ba? Hindi ba ka?
Okay.
Oh, hi.
Hmm.
I think he sees
wonder
us.
where they... Not the prop hunt. A revolving door.
Kanina pa kami nagagano'n eh.
We need to get to floor 7. 6, 7.
Asan na ba?
Kung may 7, where's the 6th one?
I'm here, pre.
Parkour yan eh.
Hello.
I
Hi.
don't want you. Ata, I found the stairs. Ay, nasa... 5th floor? 6th floor? Ayun na, kay 7th floor. Guys, I found the 7th floor. Ayun, found it. Ata,
Saan ka? Wait lang.
akin lang kayo sa step.
Okay, cold food.
Tulong!
Ah?
Wait lang, bye.
Hampasin mo lang.
Tingnan mo na yung damage ko.
Ano gawa niyo sa baba?
No.
Tingnan mo yung
Sabi ko,
damage ko.
zap.
What's happening?
Oh, Grace. 7th floor.
Backstab.
Ayun si Freya.
May
What the
nag- may nag-heal.
How are you healing?
May nag-heal. Wait
What the
lang. Ayun, patay ko,
Oh.
patay ko.
Yan pala.
I hate this guy.
Oh my god. Coming, pre.
Dali!
Coming. Boom. Finally.
Mas mahirap
That shouldn't have taken that long.
Ayoko nga eh.
That shouldn't have taken that long.
Uh-oh.
Why is he saying the same thing?
Kaya nga, paulit-ulit eh.
Storehouse, 4th floor. Please, sana hindi umalis si ano. Ansbach.
Hello.
GG tayo kung wala si Ansbach. Saan yan? Ansbach.
Oo.
Where's Ansbach? So, huwag niyo na kausapin si ano. Freya, nakausap ko na. Saan yan? What? First floor. Wait. Nawala na ba si Ansbach? No! Where'd he go?
15 name vigor. Holy. I am the tank.
I am the ring.
Ansbach. Ano yan? Oh. Bro, is John Ring.
You're dead.
How many spins do you have? I know that move. I died. I died multiple times to that move.
The best move.
Wait, ano to?
Horsey, horsey.
No, nawala si Ansbach.
Revert spirit. No, wala si dude.
Okay,
Are we fucked?
Horsey, horsey, Prince, horsey.
Oh!
Dig, 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 dig. Grabe, walang magawa.
May lever dito.
Saan?
Is this lever dito? Ang puligat pa naman.
Pull it.
Tumataas yung lugar.
Sir Ranspa. That's the Do you need like summon to the storehouse? Where's the summon to the storehouse? Wait,
Oh, may
punta kayo sa
daanan.
ano?
May daanan dun ah.
Punta kayo sa third floor.
Saan?
Saan?
Grace.
Hold on. Ano meron dito?
Kami.
This is no laughing matter, pre.
I'm not laughing. Ano to?
Kabaluwi. And
Horsey, horsey.
Mamusume.
Oh my god! Maliwanag pa naman dito.
You are my sunshine. My own
Oh my god,
sunshine.
aliwanag talaga. Parang araw yun.
you make me happy.
IRL.
Asan yun? Yung summon sign. Wait, is it? Nope. Asan yun?
Should we be
Wait,
here?
search ka lang.
May Grace ba dito? Asa ka, Prince?
Wait, panalo ka.
Ano yung pinatak?
Wow!
Ang galaw mo.
Saan napunta?
Ah,
Tignan ko kay Freya.
punta
Oh yeah,
tayo
forgot. May Grace ka nga pala.
first floor. Yeah, punta tayo first floor muna.
Bakit?
Ito lang natin invade si Hornsent. We don't kill Hornsent. We drive Leda away.
Okay.
Wait,
Ano
tama
ba
yun?
sa iba mo?
Yeah, ito. Punta tayo sa elevator. Come on, Prince.
I'm here.
It's confusing pa to sa ano, quest ni Rani.
Mas confusing to.
Ah,
Man. Just yan.
Mygel.
Right, chill.
Where am I?
Come on. Oh. Dali.
Talon!
I got this.
Pa!
Okay.
Ano? Yeah, dito yun somewhere. May summon sign.
Is that horn
Get
set?
out of the way!
Oh, that's not horse set. Holy.
What the fuck?
HP. What do you drop? Okay.
7-8. Apat na ano? Spitting zone 7.
Wait, this is...
Wait, may spitting ano dito somewhere. Summon sign.
Ang dakong griefs.
It should be here. Oh, ito pala.
Ay, mali.
Dito. Ikot-ikot na kayo. Baka may makita kayo summon sign. Move!
Ow.
Summon? Dito lang ba?
Yeah, may summon sign dito para invade.
Baka sa middle side.
Yeah, kaya na bahala dyan. Ikot-ikot lang ako. I need to find it. Alam ko ano yun eh. Dito, near the stairs, ladder thingy. Wait, tsaka nga, I need to address the thing. Oh, andito yun, sa
I
bridge.
completely missed.
It's okay,
Yung
pre.
baba.
Broken heart emoji.
Is that it? Nope. Oh, wait, is that it? No, that's blood.
Mga sa parang signs ba? Parang
Yeah,
pebbles sa
hanap
baba.
ko ng summon sign.
Mga sa baba.
Dito.
I think wala.
Huh. Wait nga lang. Balikan ko si Leda.
Hindi mo na mag-villager. Ah,
I'm gonna be what?
Ang confusing.
maybe the real summon.
It's us.
You can...
No,
At
Prince.
that point, after
I'm
Golden
you.
Commandos,
Wait, Vulgar malicious, huh?
Lightning. Look, I'm strength. Haha, I'm Prince. Haha.
Holy shit. Look,
Huh?
I'm you.
Oh my god, it's me.
I don't know how to use this. Not yung character ko.
Kaya nga eh.
Like, parang,
Huh?
huh? How do you use this thing? Dex 40?
Yeah, dude.
Anong weapon to?
Look, I'm Chainsaw Man.
Spike. Holy shit. Di si ano, pangalan niya sa ZZ.
I'm Korean. Oh my god, I'm Korean.
Yo, yeah.
What's this Leda with...
Kaya yung weapon. Oh, ito. The machete.
Look, I'm Squidward.
What's right, mali.
Wow.
Suggest ko si Horn Scent.
Don't intelligence. Stupid.
Bad.
And then, I will go back sa first floor and then puntahan ko kayo.
Okay. Mali. Vent. Keep doing that.
It should be there. And then... mati ka na mahulog.
Ano yung maganda sa Night Rain, Prince? Kaya mo gamitin lahat ng weapons. Wala kang...
Hindi siya lock behind sa...
Eh, I mean, hindi naman. Pwede mo gamitin lahat.
Ah.
Kaso lang, it's not that good of damage.
Hindi lang optimize yung damage.
Kunwari, strength ka. Tapos may Moonlight Greatsword ka. Kaya mo gamitin yung weapon art. Kaso lang yung damage is kinda dookie.
Alright, it should be here na. Saan kaya?
Still there.
So, just go kill the Horn Scent. It should be... Is that it? Where is it? Where is it? It should be here.
Hindi mag-race tayo.
Balik ako kaya no? Nag-grace ako. Wait,
Okay, dito lang
she
kami.
should leave. Diyan lang kayo. Patayin niya lang yung Fire Knight if anin kayo.
I'm not touching that guy.
Oh, umalis siya! Oh, wait.
Hindi pag the game.
Wait, no.
I see you. Bugging in the corner.
That ain't me, pre. That ain't me.
I think wala said.
We need this. I want to find the true ending. Promise, napakaganda nung ano na yan.
Akala ba di tayo makagawin through ending? From the very start, you know, di
Hindi.
tayo makasama sa Freya.
Pwede mo gawin siya if nasa loob ng if nasa loob yung summon sign ng boss arena mismo. Ayan.
Wala.
Is it there?
Pero
No.
we're seeing nothing.
Oh, saan yun?
Maybe may kulong tayo.
What the heck?
I promise, it's worth it. Ang ganda rin, ano yun ako eh. Yun yung favorite soundtrack ko sa whole game.
May cutscene ba yan?
Hindi. Napakaganda lang na dialogue, lore, lahat.
I think solo na lang kaya ni Prince kapag meron na siyang DLC. Or Elden Ring pala.
Bala na, no one even likes that guy. Si Hornsent, bala rin po yun.
Mali. Oh.
I'm going back to the storehouse.
What if mag-leave kayo? Like, i-separate ko kayo sa
Wait,
evil of it.
Grace lang ako.
Okay.
Nasa may exact location ng Sam.
Alam mo yung stairs na napakahaba pababa?
Oo.
Dun sa, bago ka bumaba sa stairs na yan, nasa left side siya. May summon sign dyan.
Try nyo
Leave ako, check ko, sa side ko. If it doesn't work, bahala na si Hornsent.
Grace ako, then check ko ulit dito.
Sige,
This shit cracks.
balik ko lang tong pass.
Separate. Nakasolve na ako, I think. Just...
At join world. Oh, never mind.
I-separate ko, no? Para
Okay.
just in case. Left side. Sa baba or pataas?
Sa taas. Ng mahabang stairs. Left side.
I see
And,
that. Maybe kasi di namin ginawa yung mga dialogues.
Hindi, ginawa ko yung dialogue eh.
Hindi na gabi yun.
Wait, check sa side ko. Maybe kausapin ko ulit si Hornsent. Hindi pa siya umaalis eh. If he leaves,
Bukas sa ball. World ka.
On my phone.
Bukas sa
Baby Gaga.
bukas na.
Nandiyan na?
Wala pa rin.
Hornsent.
Hmm.
Hornsent quest. Dami kong tabs na nakabukas. 4 na characters. Oh, we can skip both fights. Okay.
Wala pa rin. Sorry, fa. Hindi mo ako yung ending.
Wait. But we do have to do one, invasion kay Ans.
Napadecided ko yung yung bare hands. Kinda want that.
Where do we get the bear hats? This shit cracks bear.
This shit cracks. Yung sound it pa.
Ay, yung
This shit
itlog.
cracks me up.
Ah,
He's my friend.
ano? God damn.
Saka,
Night Train. No. Joining na ako.
Ito kasi mag-spawn, no, Prince. Dito. May magkakaroon dito, ano, assist Leda in killing Hornsent, tas ano, assist Hornsent in killing Leda. We need to help Hornsent.
Wala. Maybe bug yan talaga siya sa...
I'm going
Find the secret
crazy. I'm going crazy.
Is it the world another dark?
Can I use any spells?
Oh, okay. Yeah. Sugod na tayo sa ano. Boss fight. Yeah, pwede tayo mag-boss fight.
Yep.
Yeah, pwede tayo mag-fourth floor. Tapos sugurin na lang natin. Either... pangalan nun? Gaius. Or boss ng tower. Sino gusto ni Prince muna?
Ano ulit?
Sino gusto mo? Boss ng tower or side boss muna ng tower?
Side boss.
Sige.
Before the boss.
Eh? Hindi, joke
Always
lang.
to the side boss.
Tara. This jet cracks. Adol?
Brand.
Halt! Okay.
Ano yun?
Destructo this.
Hindi, wala.
Rico?
What if I just drop him off sa ledge?
Armor? Maganda chestplate niya. Armor? Okay. 6, 7.
Ang dami naman dinadrop na ano, sa meeting stone. Times 2.
I should not die. May ano ako 400k.
Yeah, pero 100 lang.
Dito ba yan? Oh yeah, dito yan.
I don't know. I just
Yung
went.
lever dito, I pulled that lever.
Oh yeah,
I know where
yung,
it goes.
Papuntang main boss yan.
oh
Yung
it's task.
pinindot mo kanina.
Ah,
It's up here. Then we go around. Yeah, dito. I remember
yung
now.
dito eh. Keeper's Loot.
Saan ulit yan? Tagot-taguan kayo dito eh.
Ember of Mess.
Ooh.
Somebody. Nakahil ko lang eh.
Dito? Oh wait, no. Wala dito. Other side.
Tamaan pa ako dun. This jet cracks. Hollows.
You see where I'm getting at? Ito lang yung convoluted sa ano na to. Up here. And then around here. Then over
Nakahil ko
here
lang.
again. Yeah, cut lang si
Kaso-
stairs. Ito si Freya. Oh, nakatayo na si Freya. Wait. Please tell me. Ano na?
Bye my lord.
Wait.
Wash my belly.
Please tell me pwede ko usap. No, bawal pa rin. Okay, ruined din kay Freya. Wala na si Ansupak eh. Saan yan? Sa 7th floor tayo. Move! I said move!
Ow.
Gaday.
Prince.
Puta.
Bro, no.
Ang haba ng combo niya. That combo though. Also, where are we going?
We're trying to find Commander Gaius.
Sucks. Oh, sige.
Is this it? Nope. Move! Alam ko may ano
Hindi
tayo,
na ba?
drop down ka muna and then may akitin ka parang sana lang sa Dark Souls 3.
But Prince never played Dark Souls 3.
The annoying candle area. Saan yan?
I wanna play Dark Souls.
You should play Dark Souls.
Asa kayo?
No.
I don't know.
Alam mo yung ano, sa gitna.
Move! Ano ba yan?
Yan ba yun? No.
Huwag mo ko sundan. I just went there.
I hate this place.
Is that it? No. Is that it?
Oh, what the fuck? How are you guys doing?
Eto. Yan, talon ka lang dyan, talon. You'll survive. Na yung lights and yung cat na nag-think.
Hmm. Wala dito. Or what?
Wait, I'm thinking. I'm the thinker.
Ay, may sa... Ay, Prince. Kunin mo
Ay.
yung ano, may free games sa ano, Epic Games.
Iba yung Hogwarts.
Kaya yung Hogwarts.
Multiplayer ba yan?
I don't know actually.
Hello din like Harry Potter.
Pero kunin mo pa rin free.
Where to find
Bagay.
2K yun. Hell yeah. Kunin ko to for free. I died. I died. Oh man. Can't wait to play Elden Ring. This chip cracks dolls.
I hate this game so much. Okay. Forget the area. We're going, Bonnie Village.
Where we go?
Punta tayo High Road Cross. Alam mo kung saan nanilaban si
Wait, where? May ano ka?
Milana.
Pipuntat kami ni Migs. Where's this place?
Oh, sunodin mo ako? I don't know. I was just going anywhere.
Yeah.
Oh, nasa taas kayo.
Where's this place?
Buksan natin tong pintuan na to. Ito yung
Do you
ito
see
yung
a
main
lad?
boss ng area.
Oh.
Buksan natin yung
May
grease.
basta lang ba?
Hindi. Buksan lang natin.
I fell.
Oh! Oh! I fell!
May
What the
money!
fuck? What the fuck?
Beforehand.
Finire niya yung fire niyo. I fell. He fired his fire.
That's true.
Where the fuck did I go? Oh my god. I hate this place.
Akat ka lang ulit.
Oh, I see my money.
This place sucks.
Okay, punta tayo High Road Cross.
Wait, knock my mouth.
Oh, I'm gonna,
Spider-
I'm gonna kill this guy.
Quest is so off. Pero napakaganda ng reward. Ikaw naman, Ledang, walang kwenta. Allow me to think it over.
Waiting ko kayo mag-sailing Elden Ring. Oh! Oh! I know this.
I killed the guy.
I know this one.
Oh, yung sinad mong TikTok.
Yeah. I need this for the jewel.
Buksan ko na yung grease dito.
Ano yun, kay boss fight?
Yeah. The
Oh,
guy.
nawala si Mesmer! Oh!
Sino?
Wait, nawala si Mesmer!
Parang nawala.
Sa amin na. May nag-raise si...
Mesmer.
ano eh,
Pangalan to? Hornsent.
Nag-raise si Mix.
Hindi ako
Wait.
grease. I just
Balik ako sa
went.
elevator. Wait, pwede natin gawin yung ano. Nawala si Hornsent.
Skadush 3.
Miwan and Poe.
Pasensya
Oh.
na. We're going back. We can do the Hornsent quest na. Kailangan lang pala yun na i-refresh yung Grace.
May binuksan lang kami.
For real
Pero
this time?
Che. Yeah, for real. He left. Sabi daw I want to take revenge on Mesmer the Impaler for killing my village.
me when I'm a murderer. I don't know.
Me when I impale someone. Ooh, I'm Mesmer.
This shit cracks. Mesmer.
Kailan mo siya na Mesmer the Impaler?
No.
Good.
Okay, good.
I can't remember
Ano mo
any
lang
names.
yung
I don't,
lore niya.
I'm very bad at names.
Me too, pre. But once you bought this game, you'll remember everyone.
Everything.
Oh, you'll know the ins and out of my house.
Sa Dark Souls 3 yung bahay ko eh.
Eh, teleport ka lang sa ano, kung G ka na.
Wala naman dito yung ano niya.
Hindi, sa ano ka punta? Sa first floor.
What's sa first floor pa?
Oh, punta sa baba tayo sa ano, elevator.
Eh, dito na ako eh.
Diyan ka na sa may ano?
Oh.
Yung ano, may mga barko?
Oh.
Oh,
Oh, you're there.
Nagtipid ako sa main... The Hippo.
oh, yung... Oh,
Oh.
Nakabox yung shortcut eh. I was like,
Oh.
layo naman yun. Eh, wala, said.
Arrow.
no, he should be there. Wait.
I kinda don't see it.
Ah!
So here.
Okay, punta tayo sa Bonnie Village. Punta na natin ano, si Gaius.
It was sucks.
So what? Arrow. Saan yung Hyrule Cross?
Nahanap ko rin eh. Paunahan. Ah, paano?
Man. Village. I see no village.
We go here. Gawin na rin natin ano, si Dryleaf din na fight.
Ah,
Para
mag-gunner.
makunipin sa ano, punchy punch.
Hyrule Cross. Peter Path Cross. Peter.
Castle, alam mo yung Castle Ensis? It's a big black icon. Below ano, Shadow Keep.
Shut.
Just follow the road sa map.
Ayun. Ayun na yun. Nyok, nyok, nyok.
Wait, do you have new dialogue? Sir, if may new
I
dialogue,
need more
bayaran ko sila.
fisting weapons.
Pipuin ako ano to.
cracks war.
Oh my god.
Oh god, that's me. I need bro's armor so bad, man. I need this armor.
Oh my, I hate you so much. Pwede na natin gawin yung kay Hornsett. I hate you so much. May ano
For
yan?
real this time?
Oh, sabi niya ano, there you are.
Ah, maybe maling location lang kinakausap mo.
Hindi, kailangan lang exhaust yung dialogue, tas i-refresh ng i-refresh.
Baka kailangan lahat kami magkatabi.
Yeah, pupunta
I want your
na
armor,
siya sa
bro.
Black Keep daw.
I want your armor.
Yeah, may ka na.
I want you.
I want you.
I want your seed.
Okay na ba? Can we
So
go?
should we go back there?
Kayo, or gusto niyo puntan mo na yun?
Oh, check.
Boss fight. Sige, check mo na lang. Kung may nakita kong summon sign, punta kami.
Main Gate Plaza ba?
Yeah,
Or
punta ako sa
yung
Main Gate Plaza.
Sakit ka lang ng ano, and then go right.
Go right and then
Okay.
go up.
Makita kang black, red and gold.
Okay.
Anong red and gold? Joke lang.
Meron kasi assist Leda or assist Hornsent.
How
We
about
have
you?
to
Pinamatay yung
assist
dalawa.
Hornsent.
How about you assist my nuts?
No thanks. I can't see it.
Why?
Oh.
Too small.
You're so weird, Sid.
You started it.
No, you're
meron na.
weird.
Meron na.
Atay mo ka.
Main Gate Plaza, teleport.
Yay. After... I don't know, I did nothing.
1 hour. Gira mo kayo.
Wala kaya.
I'm ready.
Wala oh. Wala, Sid, joke lang.
I
Magalit ako.
lied.
Hindi, wala
I
talaga.
lied.
Hindi, joke lang.
Be summoned to assist Hornsent.
Oh, we assist her.
Yes.
Oh.
Teleport kayo?
Oh.
Eh,
Yeah.
na-teleport.
Yeah, tas jump lang natin si Leda. Don't let Hornsent die.
What if I
Or
load
we kill
first? What if I
Oo. Imagine, din load.
Hindi ako nag-load. Ay, hindi, matagal to eh. Ganito to last time na eh.
Dapat una si Prince.
Ano?
Did you load in?
Loading pa rin.
Gumagalaw.
Oh,
Yeah.
gumagalo na.
Yun.
Where the hell?
Jumper!
I'll parry you.
I need your armor, bro.
I need your seed!
I need your armor, bro. Bad.
So, ginamit ko yung armor niya. It's a different set.
Ah.
Jumper! Makuha lang natin chestplate niya.
Oh, chest plate. That's good enough.
Interfere not with my business. Zealot.
Yung Oath, armor niya pangalan eh, Oath Seeker. Meron din alam saan hanapin.
Revenge.
Where do you see? Oh, may butas pala yung mask mo.
Where?
Ano ba, kadiri yung ano niya, armor set si Hornsent. Yung leggings niya, no? Brief. Nakalagay soiled tunic.
Bro, shit's on there.
Naihi.
Ano ko yung armor niya based kaya ano eh, worm face.
This jet cracks. Worms.
Ayan, tas after natin kay Gaius, we need to assist Ansbach. Siya naman kasi target. If he dies, I cry. Loading.
Custom
Loading.
voice.
Loading.
I have 9 points. I got this.
Fine.
Alam mo mag-load?
Stuck rin ako sa loading.
Arrow. Gago. Kuha pa pala to.
I don't know. It's I don't knowing.
Fucking bitch.
Nope. Hindi na ako nag-load.
Loading ka pa rin ba, Prince?
No?
Oh.
The fire dude's fighting me though.
Oh.
Ang lakas ng damage.
I will wait 10 more seconds. Alt F4.
Mabilis naman 10 seconds.
You know me, pre. I'm an impatient person.
Okay.
Akala ko siya nung Mig sinag-spawning. Tapos then ako, bro, sometimes just random uses his spell sometimes. Tingin ko, ano, kamo pala to.
What do you mean by that?
Na ganun, narinig ako nagka-cast ng spell eh. Sabi ko, hello. Tapos magtingin ko kalaban.
The range me, bro.
Hindi. Ano na t-shirt sa general.
Kita ko yung
Just
t-shirt.
always keep on laughing.
Just always keep. Just made me chocolate. Just always.
Grab exciting deals and this.
199 lang, gagi.
Mura.
Paano pala gagawin pa yung ano? Yung weapon niya, no? Ni Shaw!
Shaw Boulevard.
Ako?
Oh.
Sa cosplay ba?
I died. Oh, nako kaya na.
Ano ko kay Asha 4?
Ano lang?
Ako yung
Runes?
Leather's Rune.
Letters
Okay,
rune.
never mind.
Nakuha ko.
She's still alive. She's lying.
Who lies? That's so mean.
Mas I don't
May
think magagawa ko
runes.
yung cosplay ko by the time ng Cosmatsuri.
Di ka magka-Cosmatsuri.
No, sama ko sa Cosmatsuri.
Okay.
Saying
pero
yung
di na
cosplay ko di aabot.
What if nag-Denji ka ulit?
Sira
Wait, where's my money? 200k
Sira yun.
yun.
Bala na yung 190 ko. It's just money. Ayun.
Saan kayo?
Wait,
Johnny.
teleporting pala ako.
Magka-cosplay ka ulit. Fringe,
What
Denji.
if nag-Denji ka?
Dude, it's gone. Sirang-sira na yung Chainsaw Man
What if
cosplay ko.
nag-regular Denji ka?
Na.
Parang nakalbo ka. I don't know.
Oh, nag-ano ka?
Tuwi.
Nag-Tien from Dragon Ball.
Nasaan kayo?
I'll just be a bystander ko. Saan kayo? Hindi ko
Teleport.
magulo yung world ko. Like, every
Ganito.
enemy, that's it's now moving.
Nandun ako sa main
Ay,
gate
baka.
plaza. Pare ko.
Whatever. Okay na naman. I'm
Saan
going
ka?
down.
Oh, sa baba. Kita ko si Miguel. Hindi ko kita si Prince.
Nababa ako.
Ano si Miguel? Oh, yeah,
Main
main gate.
gate. I'm at the main gate.
Okay.
Wala kayo. Wala kayo sa
yeah.
screen ko.
Miguel lang kita ko.
Oh, may bug.
But we
I,
still-
Wala din yung mga health nyo.
don't worry, I have an idea.
Ito ba kayo?
Ayun, for sure.
I have an
Unknown has
idea.
died. Unknown has died.
For sure, makikita mo na ako.
Wait, ba't pangalan nyo unknown?
Hold on, it's
Ano?
bugged.
I think I need to restart. Probably.
No, wait.
Nag-load in ka na, Sid.
Give it 10 seconds. Alt F.
What's
F4 ako. Try mo i-off my server mo ulit.
Separate.
Yeah, separate. Nag-bugged out kami ni
Open.
Sid.
Open.
Kim Kardashian.
What? Wait. What? What?
Bakit?
Inopen ko yung kanya gate file. Bigyan pakita. Password ko lang.
Kulangot.
What the fuck?
Teka,
Did
babalik
it
naman.
set that? Or did I?
Ah,
Did you or did you not?
I don't remember doing that. Pero nabukas na.
bibili mo ba Sid yung Dark Souls 3 pag binili na ni Prince?
Ano?
Bibili mo ba yung Dark Souls 3 pag bumili si Prince?
Yes.
Let's go.
I'm easily influenced.
Awesome. I'll guide you guys.
I don't need a
Bakit?
guide.
I'll guide
That-
Prince.
Just
I'll
like my
ignore you.
kapit-
Anong kapit-bahay? Alam ko yun.
Hindi, kung bahay ko Elden Ring, kapitbahay ko si DS3.
Uy.
Ang di ko lang memorize dun is yung candle area. I hate that place.
No, alam ko yun eh. Dami kong kaaway dun eh. In my PPP days.
Ayaw rin niya, ruin area. Ayun, kita ko si Prince. Oh, naku, may
Ah.
helmet.
What time? This one? Ito?
Oo.
Yeah.
Ano
yeah,
mo ba
sige,
nakuha?
Kita yun eh. Kita
No,
ni Wings eh.
Sa ano na kayo eh. Taka na yun sa Dark Chamber eh. Kunin ko
Yeah.
lang mamaya. At we go back to
I'm a bird.
High Road Cross. Tapos punta natin kay Gaius.
What the fuck was that? What happened, bro?
Wala, TP lang ulit. Just phone.
Kaya may bibigay pala ako kay Miguel.
Ako nag-load in ako.
Saan yan? I know you will make use of this better than I.
Sige, restart lang ako.
Umanap ko.
Dapat di ko sinabay yung TP mo.
Mali. What if I
What's
Every time.
crack-a-lackin'?
crack a Latin? What if every time maglalaban tayo, I use this na.
Yeah.
Pwede.
Mali.
Pero ano, dapat nasa offhand mo lang. Kung tinanggal mo, wala.
Hindi nga eh.
Yeah, pero hindi ka naman fat roll, no?
It's just fat.
Buti naman.
Never mind.
Iba mo lang yung chest piece mo, tapos helmet. Gawin mo lang ano.
Attacks.
Saan yun? Asher 4 yun eh. Mapapakinabangan ni Miguel. It's the strongest move. Palagi kong natalo si Miguel gamit to.
Medload na ako.
Ay, ba ano yung
I didn't have to,
dash?
I didn't have to
Hindi.
pitch my armor.
Oh yeah, dash. Wait, I can use it. Don't touch that. Okay. It's a surprise. Asher 4, nasan yan?
Magkalaban tayo. Mali.
Backhand blade. Ito ba yun? King backhand.
Lagi ko palagi to. Every time magkalaban tayo.
Sa bukas na dito na ako.
Yeah, kunin mo yung item na yan.
Ay, shit. Meron ako niyan ah.
Oh, ito nga yun! Check this out.
Oh!
Oh.
Wow.
Yeah.
Come on, Miguel. Use it. Use it. I wanna see lightning.
I'm too lazy. Saan tayo?
Dito. Labanin mo na sa dry leaf din. Ever na lamanan eh.
This shit crafts dry leaves.
Alam ko may ano rin dito eh. Pakalanan. Skibidi 3 thingy. Isa. Ayun na. Oh, there he is. The cool guy.
More. Hello.
Oh, oops.
Skadoosh.
Oh, level up.
More
Oh,
power.
Walang pa ako skibidi.
Kami na.
Oh,
I have any gear that flash.
dot.
Dumikil
What if
dito eh.
iwan na lang sana ni Michaela mga fingernails niya?
We need to do an email.
That's still part of his body.
Wait.
Nag-regrow pa. Dumbass.
Tara. I challenge you.
What happened?
Wait, I need to do an emote.
Basta labas yung carved na yun.
Oh, man, may the best win. Wait, how to fight? Kailangan ko pa sir.
What if we just kill him?
No, if you kill him, di siya magsuspawn. I see that. Okay, good. Use the made the best win to just a one-on-one that focus. I did the emote. Why aren't you moving?
Ano ba tawag?
Made the best win na emote pangalan. What if lahat tayo nagano? Prince.
May the best win.
Yeah, made the best win pangalan ng emote.
Eh, may the best win. Sabay tayo. 3, 2,
Oops.
Maybe Grace. Is he ba?
Pupunta yung lahat sa Grace. Pupunta yung lahat sa Grace. Pupunta yung lahat sa Grace. Sit down, said. Hindi, upo ka.
scary.
Okay.
Bakit?
Baka na natin.
It was fine and did the monks missive near High Road cross site. You need to be in single player mode. Okay.
Single player.
Bala na yan. Maya na lang yan. Makuha rin natin yung better version na yan.
Okay. May the best win. 3, 2,
Where's the pot guy? I know there's a pot guy here.
Ayun, nag-glow oh. I wanna play the game. I don't wanna walk around.
Kasi, punta tayo sa butas.
I don't feel like walking around.
Oh, bye. Oh, you survived.
Bro, I fell off.
You did? You did.
I fell.
No!
Babaan. Saan babaan?
As I said, oh,
Why
may
would you
pintuan.
do such stupidity?
Ah,
Pintuan, nabuksan?
no, I was lying.
Oh. Get out of here. How do we get down there? This
But-
is the gate, pero
Let's go.
do we jump down? Mm, dito? Wait, I feel like dito. Oh, I fell. Nope. How do you go down?
Hey guys,
Yung daan eh. I know.
Oh, may cave.
Shattered Tone. Oh, ano to? Talisman. Raises potency of kicking and stomping skill. Oh! Kicking skills?
Yeah.
Remember yung sabi mo ano? Said, oh fuck, I fell off. What the
This
fuck?
shit fell off.
There's like a small hole, bro.
What do you mean? Small? Laki ng butas na yun.
Nah, like, just, you will see it when they see it.
Do you see what I see?
Sige, oh. Ito ba yun? Ito ba yung butas na sinasabi mo?
Dati ba yun?
Oh, said ito. Ito yung babaan.
Wait lang, my rooms.
I have no clue bakit. Ah!
How do I get up?
What's over here?
Oh, I didn't even need to grab my roots. 7k lang pa yung roots ko.
Oh, ito yun. Yeah.
Okay.
Ah. Ah.
Oh, ito. I found it, bro.
Wait, may sigundan dito eh. Sa likod. What's over here? Oh, item.
Hi, bro.
Hi, bro. Oh, kala ko nalaglag ka na naman.
There's 3 dudes.
Sa larap dudes.
Not having on
How
that.
many dudes?
Gold. Ah! Oh, they're all dead.
Uy, golden
Stand
arcs.
here. Shadows of flower. What's in here?
Ano yung sabi lang? Oh, dead end na pala. Ano meron sa taas?
A very long ladder.
Yeah. How long?
As long as my... Okay.
Oh, they're just. Wow.
That's pretty short.
Bony village. I see no bones. Liars.
It's Bonnie, pre. Like the
Oh.
FNAF animatronic.
Then where's Bonnie?
Bonnie Village ba?
Bonnie Village looks inside jars. Who are they? Who are they
It's a
fooling?
naked man.
Or Jarville. Goddamn.
Come on, naked man. Who is this guy?
It's a potentate.
Oh, it's tao pala. What the heck? Oh, he's naked.
What the fuck?
Did you kill him?
I died. I
At
was
what
stunned block.
cost?
Let me raise. Oh my god, I'm dying to put down.
Di mo kinuha yung grave?
May grease yan ah.
Oo.
Oh, I did it. Good.
But onwards.
Okay.
Tama ba lang daan? Wait.
No.
I can't use my map.
I'm just built different.
There's a rope. Living on the edge.
Wait. Oh, wait. Yeah, papunta ka na to. This is the wrong way.
Okay.
Ah, what the fuck where you come from?
Actually, ano meron dito? It's another cave.
Punta tayo sa cave.
Meron dito. Cave tayo?
Sure.
What's in here,
I don't know.
Ano?
Just wanna do
Hindi
something.
man daan.
Bogey. Gaol.
I
Go.
don't see bone.
Till this time, I'm not seeing any bones.
All you see a bone.
What you need, pre, is to look inside yourself. Oh,
Look,
ito yung ano.
look! Just
The
jars!
Ano ba?
Okay.
Where's the bones?
Jarville.
Aray ko.
Ano ba?
Who are they fooling, bro?
Damn. Murder.
Mad. Where the bones?
Show me your bones.
Bulk. Actually, need to that. Have we been
Oh,
here?
it's a hole.
No.
A
Bye-bye.
whole lot of fun.
Oh!
Oh, you
We
found the
found
hole.
it!
Ito yung
Yes!
bones.
Yes! I'm happy now.
Okay na. Bony gaol.
Uy, si Kyun.
Oh my god, water. I upskill.
Spitting stone.
Oh, something here.
Stone.
2? Oh, 4. Okay. Oh my god, parang the force lang to guys. Oh my god.
Hang on.
Oh, okay.
Umigat
Uy.
lang ba tayo?
Orange chart.
No.
Vastly raises robustness.
I can bust longer.
Oh, buttons.
Oh, resistance to bleed, tsaka ano, frostbite.
Do we went circles?
Oo, we
I
did.
think we went circles.
Like,
Yeah,
we
we
go
did.
the other way.
Oh, ba?
Hindi, I guess baba tayo.
Oh, wait, idara dito. I went the other way.
So much
Teka.
poop.
Okay,
I went the other
huwag
way.
ka pumunta sa pinunta namin.
Okay.
May broken rune lang.
Maybe gamit ko. Cured.
Wait,
Where's the sick bee?
I think we found the bones, Prince.
Oh my god, ang dami ko. Wait, no, this is
Boneville.
flesh.
I don't know.
Nakita yung bones?
Bones. We found it.
I told you, Prince, if you want to find bones, you need to look inside yourself.
Oh. I just had to believe.
Think of the children.
No.
Okay, damn.
Lost Ashes of War. Para saan yun?
To duplicate
pang-
Ash of War.
Oh.
Kung gusto mo dalawang crag blade, sure, why not?
Yun pala yun. Kasi nag-duplicate pa ng mga ano, Ash of War nga. And first time pa may 1 ako, may 2. Don't remember where I'm getting this.
Nakakalimutan yung mga ginagawa.
I just collecting stuff, man. Oh, God. What?
But you're gonna walk a long way.
It's a long way down.
The Aki way.
Antayin natin sa
The opposite way. Show! Show!
Sucking me.
First, I put the patty on the grill.
Don't forget the bev. Never,
Never, never, never.
Naku, saan ako damage? Oh.
Then, put the bacon on the grill. Then, we wrap it up. And the result is...
Don't forget the bev. Never, never.
Never, never. Ang mga pang overpriced na mga sandwiches na yun.
Hindi rin ano eh. Alam ko yung ano eh. Yung bacon Pop-Tart sandwich niya.
patili naman.
Pop-tart.
Alam ko pinagtrapan siya dati eh.
Naman.
Yung mga comments. When do you clean your grill? Never, never,
Never, never.
Uy, si Prince.
What, where?
Down the stairs. It's Prince.
There can only be one.
Ayun na.
Oh,
The stairs.
what the hell?
Where did I die?
Excuse you, Prince.
Basta kaya? Arrow.
You found a third body now.
Oh.
It's eating Sid.
Fighting me. Check ako sa ano. Project.
Wag na. Patapos ka na eh.
Tao po. Hindi pa. May hanggang next week pa ako. Hanggang 19 yun na namin. Finalization ng grade.
At
19?
least February yung balik niya.
This is an 11. Oh, bye, friend. Huh?
Arrow.
What?
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi.
High school.
No.
What is this?
Oh,
What?
button
Saan kayo?
packet.
Bakit na? Bakit na yung
I fell.
pot? What?
Pabalik na naman ako.
Ay,
Bakit na may elevator?
Ayun na pala yung boss eh.
Kayo na lang ayaw. Chin-check pa ako sa ano.
Sure, kaya mo sumama.
Ayaw. I need to check on something.
What the fuck?
Nag-reeks ka ba?
May ginawa.
Oh,
Eh,
what the
working.
hell? Nagbo-backstab ako. Tapos nung nag-race ka, hindi ko na kaya gumalaw.
You're gonna fall, bro. Never mind.
Stuck ako.
Next.
I can't move. Ano ba yung Zed?
Grace ko. Say.
Pupo na ako. Oh my
What about
god.
if I push you off? Wait. What if I
Zed,
push
upo
you
ka nga
off?
sa Grace ulit.
Wait.
Bad trip naman.
Okay, oh.
Okay,
Oh, wait. What about... Let that enemy grab you. No, not me! Not me!
kaya mo yung ano, i-close mo yung server tapos magre-rejoin ako.
O, di ka na touch nila.
Yeah, they can't touch me. I-separate mo yung world para ma-disconnect ako. I don't know bakit umupo si Seth nang ginagawa kami. Bro,
It's a boss hard.
Oh, nag-boss ba kayo?
Magbaboss sana.
oh, bubos sana.
Pag race of ko nag stuck si Nix. Puta no.
Bad trip naman. Oh my god, kaya ka na rin gumalaw. Okay, ano ba meron dyan? Okay, Seth, nasa boss kami.
This boss. Wait lang. I have a new boss. Ulit.
Oh,
We got every buff now.
dapat manalo tayo.
What the fuck is this?
Na okay, ikaw na bahala
scared.
dyan.
I'm scared.
Don't worry guys, I'll help
Ah.
you.
Again? Hindi mo nawawala.
Let me heal, I can't see.
I got this.
Nasaan? Hindi ka na mamatay dun ah. Ikaw namatay ka.
Ah,
Wait.
Nasusuntok ko.
I got this.
Pero ba ako kailangan
What the
sirain?
fuck? This is ass!
Do we need something? Gimmick fight ba to?
What the fuck?
Oy, nakita ko na siya.
Ayun, oh.
Dali.
I can't touch.
Mag-heal ako.
Bro, die.
Bad trip ka.
Ano yung combo? Die, bro. I do. Curse Blade Mirror. That it?
Ayun lang.
That's
Can you
it.
sit down. You're
All we got is a summon. That's it.
Uh, uh, 12 balis na ako.
Where is Prince? What? Saan ka?
Nag-entrance kami.
I see the void.
We left there.
Yeah. All I see is the void. I died.
This shit crafts.
Hindi ko na, bro.
Punta na natin sana.
Nakaptok na talaga ako sobra.
Oh.
I have class
Hindi ko alam.
tomorrow.
Tapos bukas ako ng gabi.
Pwede namang hapon.
Hindi, wala ako sa hapon eh.
Tara Prince Night rin bukas.
Someday pa mga night rin. Gusto nila rin night rin. Pero wala pa.
Nakaraw ba yan?
Ano, bukas na lang?
Sige, bukas na lang.
Okay.
Live lang ako.
Tumingin ka na kasi ng rank.
Sa 50.
50? Walang December 50.
50?
Oh,
50? Where did you... Meron na ba? 13 na ngayon, di ba?
yeah.
12 pa lang.
God, my God, antok ako. Dahil ba kahapon nung nagpuyat ako? Probably.
$50 na. Shit.
50 hours na?
Yung account.
Ah,
You've been awake for 50 hours.
dire-diretso.
Jack all.
Ha? Ako nga pala yung t-shirt.